This is a beautiful 1990 Pontiac Sunbird LE convertible. Nice shade of blue with a kind of grayish interior, very light gray, almost white. Notice the parking brake, very interesting. It's a 5-speed manual. That's cool. It's a 2-liter turbo engine. Nice set of gauges there, very nice, and it has air conditioning as a bonus. Very well equipped. And fortunately, we have a good look under the hood here. Nice wheels. Advertises the fact that it has a turbo, that's for sure. And there it is. 2-liter overhead cam. It's very nice, you know, and it's a shame that Pontiac was able to produce this late in its life, and it just wasn't enough to save the company, or at least the name. This one looks in excellent condition. Original wheels. Looks like it was put together very nicely too.